Hi guys, we're at Castlerock station level crossing in County Londonderry with Newton Abbey's 28. The time now is 20:02 on Saturday the 28th of August 2021. Your faces and this is for your 20:08, slightly early Northern Ireland Railway service from I think Londonderry to Great Victoria Street. Oh, we're dangerously close. I'll try and get out. I can't.
It's this way.
Sorry. I'm not trying to get you in.
It's okay, darling.
Don't worry. We can't see you at all. Do you hear it?
Mm-hmm.
I hear it now, yeah. It's a 3000. .307 and 3021, 307 and 3021 to Derry Londonderry, I meant, and up they go. Those bars are fast going up. Thanks guys, see you in the next video.